All right. So the next method we're going to use is called standard algorithm. This is the method that most of your parents learned in school. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. It kind of looks just like what we did before, where we have 7 divided by 2,476. And with standard algorithm, we still list our multiples of 7. So I'm going to say 7, 14, 21. Then I add 7 more to get to 28, and then 35. And we could keep going, 42. Okay. And my steps for standard algorithm are I need to divide daddy, mama, sister, brother, rover. And I just keep repeating those steps over and over again until I have no numbers left. Here in my dividend. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some spaces right here above each one. And the first question I'm going to do is going to divide. So I'm asking how many times can 7 go into 2? Okay. So if I have 2 things, can I split them equally among 7? Okay. No, because 2 is up here. It's smaller. So we're going to put 0. So then I start and I go into 24. Can 7 go into 24? Yes, 7 can go into 24. 24 would be right here. So 7 can go into 24 once, twice, and 3 times. So I'm going to put a 3 above that 24. I just divided. I'm going to check it off. So then I'm going to multiply that 3 times the 7, my divisor, and I'm going to get 21. Okay? And that's multiplication. Then I'm going to subtract, and that's a 21. Sorry, it's hard to write. 4 take away 1 is 3, and then 2 take away 2 is 0. So I just subtracted. The next step is to bring down my next number in my dividend, which is a 7. Okay? And then I'm going to repeat, which means I'm going to go back up and I'm going to divide again. 7 into 37. 37 would be right here. So how many groups of 7 can I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put a 5. And that's my divide step. Then I'm going to do multiplication. 5 times 7 is 35. Then I'm going to subtract. 37 take away 5. 7 take away 5. 35. You have 2 and a 0. Then I'm going to bring down. I'm going to bring down my 6. And then I'm going to repeat, which means I'm going to go back up and divide again. 7 into 26. And I can see that 26 would be between 21 and 28. So it goes into it 3 times. And 3 times 7, my multiplication, is 21. Then I subtract. 26 take away 21, and I get 5. I cannot split 5 equally into 7 groups because it's smaller than my divisor, so it is my remainder. So my final answer is 353, remainder 5. And that's called the standard algorithm.